Hold on, I never get this part right. Hey everyone, Bookkeeping Bae back with another video. While I make this drink, we're going to talk about the tech and or software that we use here at GrowthLab to help streamline all of our processes. First step, ICE, Bookkeeping Bae's best friend. First software we're going to talk about is Karbon. That's the first thing I open when I log in every day. It's got everything that you need. It's got your email. It's got your, what they call a triage. We've got all of our pieces of work, which is organized in such a way that we can make sure that we're doing all of our tasks, reconciling, wrecking your books, and all that fun stuff. Plus, they have like client tasks. You can send out requests for statements, or if you need some clarity on some uncategorized expense or some owner's pay, you can reach out to the client through Karbon and they can message you right back there. Really helpful to us as accountants because it keeps us all very organized. And so what I've done here now is muddled strawberries and basil together. Added a little ice to my muddled strawberries and basil, and we're gonna add some vodka. And our next piece of software we're gonna talk about, app, is Gusto. It's a payroll HR provider, and they offer tons of services. You can have your tax compliance set up through them. You can run your payroll through them. And as a bookkeeper and accountant, we can actually go in and grab all the reports that we need for the monthly payroll, the quarterly payroll. They'll file your 941s, your 940s at the end of the year. Gusto does it all. And it's super user-friendly. Plus, we use it here at GrowthLab as our payroll provider, and HR kind of in between helps us manage our stuff. Like we can go in and request time off right there in Gusto for ourselves at the touch of a fingertip without having to, request through this person and put in this and that. So Gusto is really great. Everything's really streamlined and helps keep everything compliant and organized in such a way. And you can pull, like I said, any kind of payroll reports, you can pull expense reports, you can pull your contractor payment reports all through Gusto. Our next step is the strawberry lemonade. And our next app we're talking about is HubDoc. There's 3 benefits I have for you about HubDoc. It saves you time by extracting relevant data instead of you having to put it in yourself. It creates the bill and uploads it to your accounting software with the invoice attached. It keeps all of your bills and invoices in one place so you don't have to carry around stacks of boxes full of paperwork. Number 3, you'll never miss any of your AP. And this is why we love HubDoc. Centralized, keep all of our important documents in the same place. Now we're gonna pour this nice muddled vodka, strawberry lemonade into the cup. And our next piece of software is Bill.com. Bill.com allows you to upload invoices, bills, and you can do it right through HubDoc. Keeps everything centralized. You can go in and look at your AP reports, see what you owe. You can also, since you're going to be paying ACH payments right through Bill.com, it will import those journal entries to your accounting software and keep everything all streamlined and organized for you. Automated is the key here. It takes all of the guesswork out of what bills you have and what bills you still owe. We're going to take our La Marca Prosecco and pour it in on the top. Next, we're going to talk about Box. Box is where we store all of our important documents securely. Box has really great features of keeping everything organized into different folders. You can go, however you want to do it. Set you up with the months. But this is what we use because everybody in the company can go into Client's Box. They can get statements. They can grab reports. They can do a lot of stuff right in Box. And you can send a client request for a file, and they can send back important documents securely through a link to Box. That way you can knock out like having to send paperwork through the mail or emailing, which isn't always super safe, especially if you have documents with EIN numbers, stuff like that, or bank account numbers on it. So Box is definitely a really great way to keep things secure, keep things organized, all in one space. Cheers. Our next piece of software we're going to talk about is AppStream, powered by GrowthLab. AppStream has helped automate our simple tasks and our workflows here at GrowthLab.
Simple tasks.
Some of the simple tasks that they've automated for us are sending 2FA codes to Slack instead of email. And that's beneficial to us because you can save time. Go in and grab that 2FA code and go right to the bank, put it in, and have access again to that bank. The next thing AppStream did for us was allow us to automatically accept invites from QBO and Xero. It seems like a simple task, but it saves a ton of time because you can just go in and automatically accept the invite instead of the rigmarole of the back and the forth. And another thing internally that's great for us as accountants, bookkeepers, and other financial people that we work with, if we ever need access to say like a bank, a credit card, like to go in and grab a statement or whatever, we can put in a support ticket through Slack and it goes right to our customer success team, and then they can get on it and get us the access that we need. Because as you know, you'll go in one day and you'll be all logged into the bank, and then the next day you go in and then no access, like something changed or whatever. And so this has just helped speed up access points for us, which is huge. If you know, you know.
Simple task.
If you'd like to learn more about AppStream, powered by GrowthLab, click on the link below. And here are just a few of our favorite pieces of software apps that we use in accounting, bookkeeping, and it helps keep everything streamlined in one place, organized, easy to access, secure, and we can get all of their clients' bills paid and get their AR in, and everything's accounted for. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up or hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions for us, bookkeeping, accounting, be sure to leave them in the comments below. We can make some other videos for you guys if you have some accounting questions. Feel free. See you next time.
That was great. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave us some feedback. Also, check out our website, growthlabfinancial.com. Again, subscribe so you can be notified for the next one.